To find what percent of 60 is 21, percent x over 100 of is multiplication 60 is equal sign 21. Now we have 60x over 100, sorry, 60x over 100 is equal to 21. This will be 3 times 20, and that will be 5. 3x over 5 is equal to 21. Now we're going to multiply 5 over 3 the same on the other side of right. Sorry, 5 over 3, there will be 7 times 3, 1 times 3. So now we have 7 and 5. What is the value of x? Put down x is equal to, we multiply 7 into 5 to find the person. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. So our answer is person of 60 is 21 is 35. Thank you.